Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello, friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics problems, I am here for the same. These are the questions of rational number class 8, Goyal Brothers Prakashan. In this video, I am going to solve question number 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's check out how to solve them. In question number 5, we have been given the length of one whole number 2 by 3 meter and its cost. We have to find out two whole number 2 by 3 meter of ribbons cost. So cost of one whole number 2 by 3 meter, that is 5 by 3 meter of ribbon, is rupees 25. Then we will find out 1 meter of length equal to 25 into 3 by 5. Then we will find out the cost of two whole number 2 by 3 meter of ribbon, that is 8 by 3. So 25 into 3 by 5 into 8 by 3, after cancellation we will get rupees 40. In question number 6, first part, we are to suppose the verify commutative property, which is the property of multiplication. Here LHS would be minus 2 by 9 into 6 by 19. After cancellation, answer would be minus 4 by 57. On the other hand, right hand side, 6 by 19 into minus 2 by 9. After cancellation, answer would be minus 4 by 57. So therefore, LHS equal to RHS. So we can say that in this part, the commutative property of multiplication is satisfied here. In question number 6, second part, again we have to verify the commutative property. Minus 9 by 20 into 56 by minus 36. 56 by minus 36 into minus 9 by 20. So we will take LHS first. 19 by 20 into 56 by 36. After cancellations, answer would be 7 by 10. On the other hand, right hand side, 56 by minus 36 into minus 9 by 20. After cancellations, the answer would be 7 by 10. So here in the second part also, the commutative property of multiplication is satisfied. In the third part, same thing will be applied. First, solve the LHS. 14 by 9 into 6 by minus 3. After cancellations, 28 by minus 3. On the other hand, the right hand side, 6 by minus 3 into minus 14 by 9. After cancellation, the answer would be 28 by 3. As we can see that on the left hand side, the negative number is there, but on the right hand side there is no negative number. So here in third part, commutative property of multiplication is not satisfied. In question number 7, part 1, we are to verify the associative property. That means if any two rational numbers are taken as in any group, the answer will be the same. So left hand side would be 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 5 by 7 will be come out as 15 by 28. After cancellations, left hand side would be 5 by 14. Right hand side 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 after cancellation and multiply by 5 by 7, answer would be 5 by 14. So here left hand side equal to right hand side. In the second, third and fourth part of question number 7, we are to verify the associative property. Left hand side 9 by 19 into 21 by 221, that is 189 by 4199. Right hand side 63 by 323 into 3 by 13, that is 189 by 4199. So here LHS equal to RHS means associative property is satisfied. In the third part, minus 6 by 11 into within bracket 5 by 9 into minus 3 by 15, and on the right hand side minus 6 by 11 into 5 by 9 within bracket into minus 3 by 15. After cancellations, left hand side would be 2 by 33 and right hand side would be 2 by 33. So in here also left hand side equal to right hand side. In the fourth part, 3 by 4 into within bracket 2 by 7 into 1 by 5, and on the right hand side 3 by 4 into 2 by 7 within bracket into 1 by 5. So left hand side and right hand side after solving we will get 3 by 70 on both the sides. So in here left hand side equal to right hand side. So we can say that in the fourth part also associative property is satisfied. In question number 8 of exercise 4.1, here we have to verify the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So in first part, x within bracket y plus z equal to xy plus xz. Left hand side would be minus 2 by 3 within bracket 1 by 4 plus minus 5 by 8, and right hand side would be minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 within bracket plus minus 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 8 within bracket. After solving and cancellation we will come out as 1 by 4 on the both sides. So in the first part left hand side equal to right hand side. So we can say that the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction is satisfied here. In the second part, y multiplied by z minus x equal to yz minus yx. So we will put the values 1 by 4 within bracket minus 5 by 8 minus minus 2 by 3, and on the right hand side 1 by 4 into minus 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4 into minus 2 by 3. After cancellations and solving the equations we will come out as 1 by 96 on the both side. So here distributive property is satisfied. In the third part, y within bracket x minus z equal to yx minus yz. After putting the values on the left hand side and right hand side, that is 1 by 4 into within bracket minus 2 by 3 minus minus 5 by 8, and on the right hand side 1 by 4 into minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 into minus 5 by 8. After cancellations and solving the both sides we will come out as minus 1 by 96 on the both sides. So in the third part also left hand side equal to right hand side. So these were the question number 5, 6, 7, 8 of exercise 1.4 of Goel Brothers Prakashan. In my next video I will solve exercise 1.5. If you like my video or if somewhere it is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.